Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to a brand new episode of Cup TV brought to you by www.craftsyourprint.com. Today we're going to look at a gorgeous kit from Mary McBain. It's cup number 1087915_1648. I'm just going to repeat that because you want cup 1087915_1648. It's called Pink Posy Boot Card Mini Kit. The finished card is approximately 7 by 7 inches. You get full instructions from Mary. There's 3 sheets and it includes some gorgeous decoupage, and it's a shaped card and very unique. So let's look at what you get in the kit. So the first sheet is just the kit front. It shows the sheets that you get and it shows how the finished card is going to look. Our second sheet is the full instructions that Mary's written as a step-by-step, showing you where to score and where to fold. The first sheet that we're actually going to use, this is the card front, and we've got the beautiful decoupage to build up on the front of the card. This is the card insert, and Mary's put the line through the centre where you need to score. And our third sheet, we've got some sentiments, and again, the back of the boot, Mary's put the line, you're going to need to score this. Now, a tip that it's something I do, when I've got a full sheet, I score using my trimmer. I pop the sheet in and I just position it where you would normally be cutting, and I use my embossing tool and I just run down the score, then I cut it out. So I actually score it, when it's a full sheet like this, I score it before I cut it out. So the first part of our card is the back of the boot. So I've cut it out, I've scored it, and following Mary's instructions, I've got adhesive on the back. Now, for this you could use wet glue. For time, I'm using double-sided flat tape, only because, you know, we want it to see the finished card. We don't want it have to wait to dry between each section. So that's going to be the back of the card. I'll just put that to one side. And then we've got the inside of the boot, the insert. Again, following Mary's instructions, I've got glue just on one side. So what happens is we take the back of the boot, which is this one. We've got adhesive just on one side. We've scored the line as our instructions. We've got our insert that we're going to fold up, and we've got the adhesive on one side of the insert. So I'm just going to remove the carrier sheet from the double-sided flat tape, and I'm going to add the inside to the side of the inside of the boot with no tape on, so to speak. All will become apparent. So that is the inside and that's the back. So for the section that has the glue on at the back of the side that we've scored, we then take the front of the boot and marry the edge up like so. There we go. And then that way we've got the front, and then we've got our insert and the back. Simples. So we can start building our decoupage. I've cut out the decoupage, I've added 3D foam on the back, and I'm simply going to marry the design up layer by layer. So that's the first layer. The second layer for new crafters is smaller than the next one, and so on, and they get smaller as they go. 3D foam on each layer and marry the design up, The next layer, again, slightly smaller with 3D foam. And you just follow the design and build it up. Our final layer is the centre of the flower, 3D foam on the back. And then I've cut out one of the sentiments that says best friend, 3D foam on the back of that, and I'm just going to slip that in to the side there. And that is actually our card finished. So we've got our inside that matches perfectly for you to be able to write your message on. And the back's covered as well. It's going to stand up. I know you can't see the card front, but it just shows that it stands up on its own. Such a beautiful and unique design from Mary. I'd like to remind you of the cup number, and it's cup 1087915_1648. And you can see any of Mary's designs by going to the Crafts You Print website and looking for Mary McBean. I would just like to say thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you next time.